I deactivated my Instagram account yesterday, and now I activate it again. So let's try to deactivate it and see what happens. So I open my Instagram and head over to my settings and search for deactivation. So here I'm going to choose my account and I'm going to tap continue on deactivate account. What it says is weekly limit reached. You've reached the weekly deactivation limit for this Instagram account. Try again in 6 days. So I cannot deactivate my account. What I do instead is I delete my account, tap continue. It says why you're deleting, I just need a break or whatever, tap continue. Now it says deactivate your account instead. No, it doesn't let me deactivate. So I'm going to tap on no continue with deletion. Here it says, do you want to export your information? Or it says, again, it's reminding me that you can deactivate instead, but it's on default. It doesn't know that I cannot deactivate my account anymore. So I'm just gonna tap continue. I don't want to export my information. Here it's asking for my password because Instagram does not want you to delete someone else's account by mistake. So type in your password. And here it asks you to confirm, but if you read closely, it says, if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on February 7th, 2026, which is a month from now. So if I delete my account, I will be able to recover my account before this 1 month is passed. And make sure you recover your account before that date. Otherwise, your data will be lost forever. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.